In today's video, I'm going to show you how to switch the language in ElevenLabs in just a few simple steps. If you use ElevenLabs regularly, changing the application language can make the platform easier to navigate and much more comfortable to use. This is a quick settings change, but it can make a big difference if you want a better overall experience. Before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open ElevenLabs and make sure you're on the homepage. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon or human icon. This opens your account menu where you'll find your personal settings and account options. From the menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can manage different parts of your ElevenLabs account. Now scroll down through the settings until you find the section labeled Application Language. This is the option that controls the language used across the ElevenLabs interface. Once you locate it, click the drop-down menu next to it and choose your preferred language from the list. Take a moment to make sure you select the one you actually want, especially if you're switching to a language you use every day, or one that's easier for you to read. After you choose the language, ElevenLabs should update the interface to match your selection. In some cases, the change may happen right away, while in others, you may need to refresh the page or navigate back to the homepage to see the full update. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully switched the language in ElevenLabs. This is one of those small settings changes that can make the platform feel much more personalized and user-friendly. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more clear step-by-step guides on your favorite tools and apps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.